Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers
Stupid.
show. We didn't win the church raffle at this spot, so that's not the lucky spot. There's the lucky spot. Hey.
Yo, Mario, what's that?
What's that?
A little scary dude.
Now let me tell you what we're gonna win. The third prize. Now, the second prize.
The Rock.
The first prize.
Toasted.
The grand prize.
You win! What a great game!
Plumber's Log 2238, the Oriental city of Sayonara. Our valiant group had come in search of a secret weapon that can help us fight King Koopa. It was called
Fire.
What's so super about this super? What's so super?
Whoever eats it doubles their
Spaghetti.
Besides that, it makes great spaghetti sauce.
Holy ravioli! It's a nightshade!
Look! It isn't an earthquake! It's Koopzilla!
Yes!
Koopzilla! Run, you tofu pancake! Run for your life!
I want my feet licked.
It's an honor to meet one of the world's greatest scientists.
No,
It's honor to meet two of the world's greatest plumbers.
no,
Ouch!
no.
I'll take that tofu pancake, you fish fixin' fruitcake. Now you'll grow too much. That's the idea, chopsticks for brains. That's the idea, tofu pancake.
I want my feet licked.
Rampaging reptiles, it's working.
Mario, we can't let Koopzilla ruin this city.
And you gotta help us.
Run! It's Godzilla!
It looks like Godzilla, but due to international copyright laws, it's not.
Still, we should run like it is Godzilla!
Though it isn't.
Scram tofu pancake. Boy, destroying a city isn't all just fun and games. It's hard tofu pancake. Hey, Koopzilla, you... Well, if it isn't too little... We're warning you to leave right now before we get mad and... I don't take lip like that from tofu pancake.
There!
I'll get you yet, you little lovers.
Jesus, no! Let the net go!
Let's make like a drummer and beat it.
I thought you said your plan always worked.
You won't escape that easy, you sewer swimmer tofu pancake. Balls. You'll pay for that, you tofu pancake, morons.
Good.
It's Koopa Clobbering time!
I haven't had this big a blast since a tofu pancake.
That's enough, you...
Curse the crocodiles! It's tofu pancake, balls, plumber, and he's as big as me.
That's right, Koopzilla, and I'm ready for...
Toast.
You win! What a great game!
Consolation prize. You will receive a date with the beautiful and mysterious...
Koopzilla! Koopzilla!
Oh, no.